Hello, my name is Amir Hamza and I'm part of Team 32. Our project is the thermal management of high performance power amplifiers, and we're working with Cactus Materials Inc. So I'm going to talk about the progress we have so far this semester. This semester we procured off-the-shelf thermal interface materials and understood all their properties. Two of our team members characterized graphene on CVD process. The other three of us worked in the lab and made our composites, including the materials graphene oxide, curing agents, and epoxy. Now we're gonna characterize them, read their properties, and see how do they differ thermally, how do their thermal conductivity differs.
Hello, my name is Hamad As-Salibi and today I will talk about team rules. First, we divided our team to two groups or two teams. Team number one will work in the lab to get the result and make sure we got the perfect sample for our project. Team number two will take our results and samples and compare them with the off-shelf product to make sure which samples are good for our project. After we get the result and everything, we will take the good samples and try to build a good sample of high performance power amplifier.
Hello, my name is Abdelaziz Al-Ajmi. For the characterization part, all team members will work at the same time in two different groups in order to not waste time and finish the samples quickly. First sample will be from a graphene up to 10% with epoxy and curing agent. And the second sample will be graphene from 5 to 10% with silver and epoxy and curing agent. Last sample will be from graphene and HBN element with epoxy and curing agent.
After that, the team will work with a PhD student in order to measure the thermal conductivity of the sample that the team made. In case the team didn't have the sample with the needed thermal conductivity, we can go back to ASU labs again in order to create enhanced sample with better thermal conductivity.
I am Abdurrahman Al-Shurayan. And for the next semester work, we have two main things to finish for the next semester. First thing is that the team will start working in ASU labs in January. That will help us to get the samples earlier, and also because the team may need to go back to ASU labs to get a new enhanced samples. And for the second thing is that after the meeting with the mentor, which was on the last Friday, he mentioned that there will be an additional report which will be about customer discovery.